Hello, let's learn how to divide polynomials using synthetic division method. So here I have written the two polynomials which are to be divided by linear functions. Okay, so what I will do, let us do the first one, x cubed minus 3x square minus 6x plus 8 divided by linear function x minus 4. So for doing that, I will simply first I will equate x minus 4 to 0, which would give me x equals 4, right? Now very simple thing I have to do is I have to make two lines in this manner. Okay, now what is coefficient of x cubed? X cubed coefficient is 1. Coefficient of x squared is negative 3. Coefficient of x is negative 6, and this is positive 8. I will write here. Now x equals to 4, this has to be written here. Now next step would be what? I will take down this one. Okay, I will take down this one. Now 4 times 1 is what? 4 times 1 is 4 would be written here. Now negative 3 plus 4 is positive 1 would be written here. Now this 4 and this 1 would be multiplied. So 4 ones are 4 again. Negative 6 plus 4 would give me negative 2. Now this 4 times negative 2 would give me negative 8. Now 8 minus 8 would give me 0. So this is my remainder. Okay, this is my remainder, and my quotient for the A part, my quotient would be what? It would be very simple now. It is 1, so 1x square. This is also 1 plus x. This is negative 2. So this is my quotient for first division, right? So you can say that x cubed minus 3x squared minus 6x plus 8 whole thing divided by x minus 4 is what? It is x squared plus x minus 2. Got that? Very easy. Let us do now one more. Okay, I have taken something different here. So it is x cubed minus 3x minus 2 divided by x plus 1. Okay, so again same thing, I will do x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to what? Negative 1. And now I have to put them in this table like thing. Okay, so coefficient of x cubed is what? 1. Let us put it here. Now there is, after cube there is no x square term, so for that I will put here 0. Now after x square, x term is there, so coefficient is negative 3 and then negative 2, and this x equals to negative 1 would be written here. Same, now I will take down this one as it is. Now negative 1 times 1 would give me negative 1. 0 minus 1 would give me negative 1. Now this negative 1 multiplied by negative 1 would give me positive 1. Negative 3 plus 1 would give me negative 2. Negative 1 times negative 2 would give me positive 2. And negative 2 plus 2 would give me 0. So this is my remainder. And yes, what is our quotient here? Our quotient would be x squared. Now this is minus 1, so minus x and minus 2. So I can simply write that x cubed minus 3x minus 2 when divided, let me write here, yeah, when divided by x plus 1 is equal to x square minus x minus 2. Because remainder is 0, so we can simply write that quotient is this. Otherwise we will have to write that dividend is equal to quotient times remainder plus quotient times divisor plus remainder format. Okay, so this is how we use synthetic division. I hope you understood. See you, keep practicing.